Hey Kipsters, it's Miss Schultz here. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had a great weekend and are ready to jump right back into learning with me. Today I have a super exciting CGI problem for you to help me with. It is about me and Ms. Bell. I hope you're going to be able to help me solve this problem. Before we get started today, please make sure that you have a paper and pencil out. I'm going to use my cubes and draw on the chart, and you're going to follow along and make sure that you're working on your paper. Go ahead and get that out so that you are ready to help me. Awesome, you guys. So I'm going to tell you a story about me and Ms. Bell, and I'm hoping you can help us figure out how to solve this problem. So this weekend when I was cleaning my house, I found a lot of coins in my house. You know I have a lot of coins because we do money jar together. And when I counted my coins, I realized that I had 85 coins in my house. I put them all together and I kept them with me. And then I was talking to Ms. Bell this weekend, and she told me she did the same thing. She was cleaning her house too. And when Ms. Bell cleaned her house, she realized that she had 59 coins in her house. And we were talking, and we said to ourselves, how many more coins does Ms. Schultz have than Ms. Bell? You're going to help me read this story. I'm going to read it twice, and then you're going to tell it back to me so that you're ready to solve this problem on your own. All right. Ms. Schultz has 85 coins. Ms. Bell has 59 coins. How many more coins does Ms. Schultz have than Ms. Bell? Let's read it one more time, then it's your turn. Ms. Schultz has 85 coins. Ms. Bell has 59 coins. How many more coins does Ms. Schultz have than Ms. Bell? I'm going to cover it up, and I want to see if you can tell it to me. All right, it is your turn. Go ahead and tell me that story. Whoa, you guys, great job. I can tell you were really listening when I read that story two times. Before we go solve, I have a question for you. We already know that I have more coins than Ms. Bell does. We already know that I have more. But my question is, how much more do I have? We're comparing those two amounts of coins. We already know I have more. We're trying to find out how many more, how much more I have than Ms. Bell. So we have to think about how we're going to solve for that. Get an idea in your head. I know you're ready to get started. As always, I'm going to put 4 minutes on the timer. Make sure that you're showing all the parts of your work. You're putting on labels. You're trying to write a number sentence to match your work and the problem. And you can try to solve in a second way if you're done early. Thumbs up if you're ready to get started. Paper and pencil out. Let me uncover this problem for you. And I'll put 4 minutes on the timer. All right, Kipsters. Get ready. Go ahead and get started. Wow, you're already working so hard. Make sure your work is neat and organized. Great job, Kipsters. Don't forget to label the different parts of your problem. Great job, Kipsters. Don't forget a number sentence. to solve a second way if you're done already. One minute left, Kipsters. Can't wait for you to help me out. All right, Kipsters, I know you were working so hard, and now is your turn to help me solve this problem. I'm going to do it two different ways. I'm going to do it with my cubes, and then I'm going to draw it out here. And I hope that you are brain matching, giving me thumbs up, showing me love if you did the same things I did, or if you shared some of the same ideas that I had. Okay, so we started off. Let's read the problem again. Ms. Schultz has 85 coins. Ms. Bell has 59 coins. How many more coins does Ms. Schultz have than Ms. Bell? So like we said, we're comparing these two numbers. We already know I have more. We're trying to find out how many more I have. One way that we can compare two numbers is we can take the larger number and we can take away the smaller number from that. We can find the difference between those two numbers by doing subtraction. So I'm going to do 85 minus 59 to figure out how many more I have than Ms. Bell. Let's start with that. So I'll start by setting up 85 cubes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 85. Okay, great. So I have my 85 coins that represent what I have. Now we said I'm going to find the difference or compare them, find out how many more I have by taking away what Ms. Bell has. So we can see how many more I have. So I need to take away 59 coins. Let's start with our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. I need to take away 9 more coins. I could take away these ones, or I know this is a 10. What if I took 1 off of it, so this is 9, and took this away now? Great. Now I have 1 left over. I'm going to put that back on with my ones. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I have 26 left over. That means I had 26 more than Ms. Bell. Let's go ahead and draw that on our paper. I hope you're giving me a big brain match right now if you did the same thing I did. All right, so let's start. We took away our tens first. Here I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. That's what I had to start. So I'm going to draw that I had 85. And I'm going to take away 59. Let's write a number sentence too. 85 minus 59 equals question mark. We don't know yet. We're going to figure it out. So I took away 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then what I did over here is I took a 1 off of this and I put it over here. So this was a 1. And then I took this away. Awesome. So then when I counted, I had 10, 20, 5 plus 1 is 26. Whoa, awesome. So I know that 85 minus 59 equals 26. That means that I had 26 more coins than Ms. Bell had. Let's solve it another way and see if we can figure it out. Another way that we can solve to find the difference between two numbers, or to find how many more I had, is by taking Ms. Bell's number and adding up and seeing how many more I would need to add to get to that bigger number that I had. So let's do that. We're going to start with Ms. Bell's number, and we're going to add up to get to that bigger number. So we want to start with 59. Let's do that. Get all our cubes back together. Okay, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and this is a 10. If I take 1 off of it, that gives me 9. There's 59. Okay, but what I need to do now is I need to add up to get to my 85. I think that the easiest way to do this is going to be to decade count to make it go faster and more efficiently. So let's do that. So I've started with 59. We're going to add up those 10s in decade count. 69, 79, 89. Wait, I only had to get to 85. This is too much. Okay, so 59, 69, 79. Now I need to add on some ones. So 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, whoops, 84, 85. All right, I have 85 in total. Let's see how many I added. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Perfect. That matches what we got up here when we subtracted, so we know we did it correctly. Lay these down. And we're going to do our second drawing. All right. Okay, Kipsters, let's do it. So here I had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 9. That's what I started with. That was Ms. Bell's number. And then I know I added on to count up with decade counting to get to my new total of 85. So I had 59, 69, 79, I couldn't add another 10. That was too many, so I started counting by ones. So I had 69, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. That means I added 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Perfect. So my number sentence for this is a little bit different, and it would look like 59 plus question mark equals 85. When we solved that, we found, I'm going to put it over here, I have some space, 59 plus 26 equals 85. Awesome job, Kipsters, helping me with those problems. We had two ways to solve this comparing problem. I could subtract, so I could do my bigger number minus my smaller number to find the difference, or I could add up. I could take my smaller number and count up until I got to my bigger number. So two different strategies that we could use when we're comparing and finding out how many more someone or something has. Time for you to do your own problem. Same thing, keep these two strategies in mind. I can't wait to go over it tomorrow and see who used what strategy and got the correct answer. So, let's move this out of the way. All right, Kipsters, here we go. Alan, this one's about you today. Alan had 63 cookies. Brandon had 49 cookies. How many more cookies does Alan have than Brandon? Just like in our problem, we're comparing. Trying to find out how many more Alan has. Can't wait to see your work. Pause your screen so you can take a look at this and get that work done so you can show me those answers tomorrow. Great job today, Kipsters. Keep it up. I'll see you tomorrow.